Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss very important and scoring chapter, simultaneous linear equation. So what is the linear equation? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where abc are constant and xy are variables with degree 1. Okay beta, any equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let's understand by example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. This is the linear. Is this linear equation? Yes. How we will check the given equation is linear equation? So first we check the form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If we send c on that side, then this is the same form. This is the standard form of the linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we can write this equation like 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the linear equation. Okay beta, where a 2, b 3 and c is minus 4 and x, y is the variable, and because this is the linear equation, so the degree of variable x and y will be 1. If quadratic, then degree 2. Cubic equation, then degree will be 3. Here we are going to discuss linear equation, so degree of the variable always will be 1. Okay, so this is the linear equation. If two linear equations, suppose the other equation is x plus y is equal to 2. If two linear equations, such as equations, write together is called simultaneous linear equation, and we can say pair of linear equation. Okay beta, pair of linear equation or simultaneous linear equation. So today we are going to discuss simultaneous linear equations and pair of linear equation. What is the condition of simultaneous linear equation? The variable in both equation will be the same. If in equation 1 the variable is x and y, so in equation second the variable will be same x and y. Okay beta, and now there are three methods for solving simultaneous equation. Okay, the first method is elimination by substitution method. Second is elimination by equating coefficient, and third and the last method is cross multiplication method. So in this video today we will discuss two methods, elimination by substitution method and elimination by equating coefficient. So first we will discuss elimination by substitution method. So let's understand by example and questions. So let's start with exercise 6A. Question number 1. The question number 1 is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. And the second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. And the question is solved by substitution method. Okay, find the value of x and y, find the variable of x and y and solve for x and y by substitution method. So first we let this is equation first, this is equation second. Okay beta, first we write the equation first. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. In substitution method, first we find any one variable in terms of other variable. So first we will find the value of x in the terms of y. X is equal to 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. So value of x will be 9 minus 5y upon 8. Okay beta. Now after finding the value of x, put the value of x in equation 2. Okay, substituting the value of x in equation 2. Substituting the value of x and equation 2. Okay, so 3x, in place of x we can write 9 minus 5y, 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. After that we will solve for y. Okay, now open the bracket. So it will be 27 minus 15y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, now we will take the LCM. So it will be LCM is 8. So LCM is 8. 27 minus 15 y plus 8 to the 16 y is equal to 4. Now we will do the cross multiplications and the LCM 8 on right hand side. So it will be 27 plus minus minus, but sign will come plus because positive is greater, plus y is equal to 4 into 8. So y will be 32 minus 27. So value of y is equal to 5. After finding the value of y, we will put the value of y again in equation first. So it will be 8x plus 5y 5 is equal to 9. So 8x plus 25 is equal to 9. 8x is equal to 9 minus 25. X is equal to minus 16 upon 2. Minus 16 upon 8 minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Okay beta, value of y is 5, value of x is minus 2. So this is the substitution method. First we find the variable value of x in terms of y. You can find the value of y in terms of x. Okay beta, so after that finding the value of x from equation first, put the value of x in equation second. In place of x we can put now 9 minus 5y upon 8 and then solve for x. After finding the value of y, again we will put the value of y in equation first. Okay, and then we will get the value of x. Here you can write, put value of y in equation first. Okay beta, now let's do one more question by substitution method. Question number 11. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. First we send the 10 left right hand side. So it will be 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Let this is equation first. This is equation second. Now again first we find the value of x in terms of y from equation first. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So 3x is equal to 11 minus 2y. So x will be 11 minus 2y upon 3. Now after that put the value of x in equation 2. Substituting x in equation 2. Okay, so 2x, x is 11 minus 2y upon 3 minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Open the bracket. 2 into 11, 22 minus 4y upon 3 minus 3y is equal to minus 10. After that we will take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 3. So it will be 22 minus 4y minus 9y is equal to minus 10. Cross multiplication. 22 minus 13y is equal to minus 10 into 3. 22 minus 13y is equal to minus 30. Minus 13y is equal to minus 30. Send 22 on right hand side. So it will be minus 22. Minus 13y is equal to minus 52. Y is equal to minus 52 upon 30 minus 4. The value of y is equal to 4. And after that, after finding the value of y, put the value of y in equation first. Again in equation first. Put the value of y in equation first. So it will be 3x plus 2y. Y is 4 is equal to 11. 3x plus 8 is equal to 11. So 3x is not visible. Okay. So 3x is equal to 11 minus 8. X is equal to 3 upon 3 is 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. So this is substitution method. Okay beta. Now the all question of exercise 6 is you will solve by substitution method. Now we will discuss second method. Now we will discuss second method, equating the coefficient. Okay, elimination by equating the coefficients. How to solve the simultaneous equation by equating the coefficient method? So multiply one or both of the equation by a suitable number so that either the coefficient of x or coefficient of y in both the equation become equal. Okay beta? Again I am repeating, multiply one or both of the equation by suitable number so that either the coefficient of x or coefficient of y on both in both the equation become equal. Okay, now let's understand by question example. So let's take a question from exercise 6b. Question number 1. Now it is given 30 plus 2y is equal to 9x, and second equation is given 3y is equal to 7x. First we write down in the standard form, and you can say send the variable on the same side and constant other side. Okay beta? So first we send the variable same side and constant other side. So it will be 9x send plus 2y. This side minus 2y is equal to 30. Let equation first. Okay, and the second equation 7x minus 3y, 7x minus 3y, then here will be 0. Equation second. By equating the coefficient, now we make the coefficient of x or coefficient of y become same. Okay, how? So if we multiply an equation first, now here I am solving for y, coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is 2 and here the coefficient of y is 3. So which number we will multiply in equation 1 and 2 so that the coefficient of y will be same? So if we multiply in equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, then the coefficient of y will be same. Here 6 and here 6. Okay, so first we multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Okay, here I am going to make the coefficient equal for variable y. You can make the coefficient equal for x also. This is your choice. Okay beta, here I am going to make the coefficient equal for variable y. Okay, so we multiply an equation first by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So it will be 9 into 3, 27 x minus 3 into 2, 6 y is equal to 13 into 3, 39. Now equation second. Now let this is equation third. And 7x minus 3y multiply by 2. 7 into 2, 14x minus 6y is equal to 0 is equation 4. After equating the coefficient, after making the coefficient same, we will check the sign of the coefficient in both equations. If sign is same, then we will do subtraction. If sign is differ, then we will do addition. Okay, here the sign is same. In equation first, the coefficient of y is minus 6 and in equation 4, the coefficient y is minus 6. The sign is minus minus in both equations. So we will do subtraction. If sign is same, then we will do subtraction, and if sign is different, then we will do addition. Okay beta, here the sign is same, so we will do subtraction, and when we will do subtraction, then the sign of downward equation will be changed. Now we are doing subtraction, so it will be minus and minus will be plus and here will be minus. Okay, plus minus, eliminate. Okay, y variable is eliminated. Now 27 minus 14, it will be 13. X is equal to plus minus minus 39. So x is 39 upon 13. 13 3s are. So the value of x is equal to 3. After finding the value of x, you can put the value of x in any equation. Equation first or equation second and the given equation in the question. Okay beta. So after finding x, we will put the value of x in any equation. So it will be 3y is equal to 7x in the question given. So in place of x, we can put 3. So 3y is equal to 7 into 3. So 3y is equal to 7 into 3, 21. Y is equal to 21 by 3. Y is 7. Value of y will be 7. Okay beta. This is the equating. This is the elimination method by equating the coefficient. Equating the coefficient and eliminate and then eliminate that coefficient. Okay beta, eliminate that value. Okay. Now let's do one more question. Question number, this This is question number 7, I think. 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. And the other equation is, so for 2x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. So first we solve the equation. So first is 3 minus x minus minus, open the bracket, plus 5 is equal to y plus 2. Send the variable same side and constant other side. So it will be 3 plus 5 is 8 minus x is equal to y plus 2. Now I am sending x on this side. So it will be 8 minus 2 is equal to y plus x. So it will be x plus y is equal to 6. Equation first. Okay, let this is equation first. Now solve the second equation. 2x, open the bracket, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Send the variable same side and constant other side. So it will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 4. So it will be 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. This is equation second. Now here we are using equating the coefficient. Elimination by equating the coefficient. So check in equation first, the coefficient of x is 1 and in equation second coefficient of x is 2. So in equation first we will multiply by 2 so that the variable, the coefficient of x will be same. So we will multiply in equation first by 2 for making the coefficient same. So equation first will be, when we multiply by 2, it will be 2x plus 2y plus is equal to 6 to 12. Okay, this is equation third. Now after that we will check the sign. Equate the variable, then we will check the sign. In both equation, the sign of coefficient of x same. The in equation second is plus 2 and equation third is plus 2. Then we will do, if sign is same, then we will do subtraction. Okay. So let's do subtraction. 2x plus 5y is equal to 4, and you can here write down. Subtract equation third from second. Subtract equation third from second. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 4 and it is 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. Sign is same, then we do the subtraction and the sign of downward will change, is negative, is negative, is negative. Okay, 2x plus minus cancel, plus minus, minus. 5 minus 2 is 3, y is equal to is 8. Okay, so the value of y is equal to 8 by 3. Value of y is 8 by 3. You can check again. First we open the bracket, 3 minus x minus minus plus. So 3 minus x plus 5 is equal to y plus 2. 3 plus 5, 8 minus x is equal to y plus 2. Send it on this side. 8 minus 2 is equal to y plus x. So x plus y is equal to 6, equation first. Second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3y. 2x plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 4. 2x plus 5y is equal to 4, equation second. Now we are solving for variable x. So we will multiply in equation 1 by 2. So it will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 6 to the 12. Okay, and it will be the same. So 2x, equation second, same, 2x plus 5y is equal to 4, and equation third is 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now change the sign of downward, minus minus minus, it will come in minus. Okay, 2x cancel, plus minus 5 minus 2 is 3y, 8 is, it is coming minus 8, so y, the value of y will be minus 8 by 3. Now you can put the value of y in equation first, second, in any equation first or second. So the equation first is x plus y is equal to 6. In place of y we can put minus 8 by 3 is equal to 6. Take the LCM, 3x minus 8 is equal to 6. So 3x minus 8 is equal to 6, 3 ja 18. 3x is equal to 18 plus 8. 3x is equal to 26. X is equal to 26 by 3. So the value of x will be 26 by 3 and value of y is equal to minus 8 by 3. Okay beta, so this is the method by equating the coefficient. Eliminate by equating the coefficient. Okay beta, so thank you for today.